Hi Nidhi, this is Dr. Sakina here. I have a question just that how on the basis of just watching a video you would be able to scan the child's brain. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Like if that kid is hyperactive or not ready to wear that headset, then how do we proceed on?
हेलो मैम। मैम मैंने आईक्यू टेस्ट करवा रखा है उसका साइकोलॉजिस्ट से, तो इसके रिजल्ट्स में और आईक्यू रिजल्ट्स में क्या डिफरेंस रहेगा मतलब? ओके। हाँ। ओके। ओके मैम, एक और क्वेश्चन है कि अगर जैसे इसमें बच्चे का 5 मिनट्स में मूड नहीं भी हो पढ़ने का या कोई एक्टिविटी करवा करने का जो भी है, तो भी क्या एआई एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट देता है? ओ- ओके।
So, ma'am, I wanted to ask that this basically whatever the results are being given are based on the EEG waves of the part of the brain that has been stimulated, and you sort of work on that thing because you are working with EEG. So, like the EEG is basically the electric waves that are being recorded of the brain. So, you must be stimulating the brain or something. Then only you would be getting these waves, right? Yeah. Right. Okay. Okay. Right. Right. So, like, I'm like curious about one thing that as they see the video and they, find it like they like it or they do not like it, that basically tells about the emotional state of the child. Probably that would give you an answer that how the child is emotionally liking it, maybe stress or anxiety, or he's happy around. How does this help in understanding the learning capacity of the child? Uh, I'm sorry, I couldn't understand this much properly because अगर मेरा liking और disliking पे से learning capacity को हम कैसे like suppose कि my kid is there तो कैसे रहेगा वो like my if I'm getting my kid diagnosed. Okay, so like this thing will help me that how the basically the child is able to learn more properly which type of maybe visual or auditory that kind of thing. Right, right. So it gives us the idea, the people who are working school or the therapist and everyone, that how we can basically help the child to grasp things faster in terms of which way it is more interesting for them to grab it or grasp it. Okay. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Sure. Sure.
Okay, I have one question. I have a question. Let's say we did uh, a headset for this time, right? So how long we have to do it again? 3 months. Okay. Okay. Every 3 months we have to do it. Okay. Okay.
Does anyone have any questions?
And headset you are using your own, right? Or we have to buy it. Okay.
Right. Okay. It might, yeah. It might like sort of give the artifacts. Yeah. Right. Okay. I think Nidhi, everyone must have like whosoever has joined have their questions answered. we can stop. And I would really like to thank you